How to change iPhone hotspot from 5 GHz to 2.4 GHz. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Cellular as shown. From here, you can find out how much data you're using, set data restrictions, and manage carrier settings such as eSIM and Wi-Fi calling. Go to Personal Hotspot as shown. Personal Hotspot allows you to share a cellular internet connection from your iPhone to other nearby devices. Over here, turn on the Allow Others to Join feature. Then, scroll down and turn on the Maximize Compatibility feature. When this feature is turned on, internet performance may be reduced for devices connected to your hotspot. Following these steps, you can easily change iPhone hotspot from 5 GHz to 2.4 GHz. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.